Do you feel tired all the time, even when you haven't done much? Or is your body aching so often that you start wondering if something's wrong? Maybe workouts feel too hard, too long, or just impossible to stick with. If that sounds like you, this video is for you. What if I told you that just 30 minutes of walking a day could start changing your body, brain, and mood in only 30 days? Studies show that regular walking can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. And that's just the beginning. In this video, I'll show you exactly what could happen to your body, week by week, if you start walking 30 minutes a day for 30 days. Walking isn't just moving your legs, it's a full body reset. When you walk, your muscles act like pumps, pushing blood, oxygen, and nutrients to your organs and brain. This is why walking is linked to lower risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, depression, and early cognitive decline. In fact, research shows people who walk regularly can reduce their risk of early death by 20 to 30%. But the real magic happens when you do it consistently. Now let me show you what happens when you do it every day for 30 days. In the first 1 to 3 days, your body isn't burning noticeable fat yet. The first thing that changes is your nervous system. Walking activates your body's calm system, lowering stress hormones like cortisol. That's why many people feel more relaxed and less tense, even after just one walk. Blood circulation improves right away, sending more oxygen to your muscles and brain. This can make you feel slightly more alert, less foggy, and less stiff. Walking also gently moves your joints, knees, hips, ankles, and lower back, helping them stay lubricated. Morning stiffness often feels better, especially if you sit a lot. Sleep may start to improve too. Some people fall asleep faster or feel less restless at night. And you might feel mild soreness or heavy legs at first, but this is normal. It's simply your body adapting to movement again. Many people say, "I slept better. I felt calmer. My body didn't feel as stiff." These are signs your body is preparing for deeper changes. By days 4 to 7, your body starts recognizing walking as a routine, not a shock. Muscles become more efficient, movements feel smoother, and soreness usually decreases. Energy levels begin to stabilize. Walking helps regulate blood sugar and insulin, so you notice fewer crashes and less sudden fatigue. Brain function improves too. Blood flow to the brain increases, and neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin rise. This can make you feel clearer, more focused, and slightly happier. Stress continues to drop. Lower cortisol means less tension, calmer nerves, and better digestion. Sleep rhythm improves. Falling asleep becomes easier, and mornings may feel more refreshed. Appetite may begin to regulate naturally, with fewer cravings and less urge to snack out of boredom. You will also have better awareness of hunger versus habit. This sets the stage for fat loss later, without dieting. By week 2, your body is learning to use fat for energy instead of relying only on sugar. You might notice less bloating, slightly looser clothes, and a lighter feeling. Walking also improves insulin sensitivity, which helps keep blood sugar stable, store less fat, and reduce energy crashes. This is especially helpful if you have belly fat, pre-diabetes, or a family history of diabetes. Low-impact movement also reduces inflammation, which can ease joint stiffness, reduce back or knee discomfort, and help your body recover faster after activity. Your heart and lungs become more efficient too. Walking feels easier, breathing is smoother, and your resting heart rate may drop slightly. Mental benefits continue. Stress tolerance improves, mood stabilizes, and focus feels sharper. Finally, habits start forming. Your brain begins linking walking to feeling better and stress relief, making it easier to stick with the routine. If you found this video helpful, can you give it a like, share it to someone who could benefit from it, and subscribe for weekly health tips like this? By week 3, internal improvements start showing on the outside. You may notice less bloating, a slightly slimmer waist, and clothes fitting better. Your heart and lungs work more efficiently. Resting heart rate may drop, blood pressure may improve, and recovery after walking feels faster. Posture and movement improve too. Daily walking strengthens your core, hips, and lower back, helping you stand taller, move more smoothly, and feel less back stiffness. Mentally, stress feels easier to handle. Mood is more stable, and mental fog starts to clear. Many people describe this as feeling lighter both physically and mentally. By week 4, walking becomes almost automatic. You no longer need motivation. It becomes a natural part of your day. Energy levels stay steady throughout the day, with fewer crashes, making daily tasks easier. Strength and endurance improve. Legs feel stronger. Walking pace naturally increases, and you get tired less easily. Physical and mental benefits become more noticeable. Slimmer waist, better posture, stronger legs, calmer mood, and clearer thinking. The biggest change is the identity shift. You stop thinking, "I should exercise," and start thinking, "I'm someone who moves every day." Healthy habits start to feel natural, not forced. And the best part? You achieved all of this without extreme workouts, expensive equipment, or complicated routines. Remember, walking isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. 30 minutes a day can improve your health, mood, and energy in powerful ways. But take note, results can vary for each person depending on factors like age, fitness level, diet, sleep, and any underlying health conditions. Some people notice changes quickly, while for others, it takes longer.